happy first monthsary. Ayun. Sorry if, yun, ito lang yung bibigay ko sa yung gift. Pero sana maging masaya ka. Hindi lang ngayong araw na to, but everyday. So, I have this letter. Ginawa ko lang siya. Yung mga panahong AFK ako. Kunwari. So, ayun. Short lang siya. But, syempre, meaningful. Ato, wait. Thank you for being my up and my downs. Thank you for drowning me with your love and care that I almost drowned. Thank you for being the strength when I'm in my weakest days. Thank you for being the reason why I wake up in the morning with a smile. Thank you for everything, especially for the unconditional love you have given. Sorry for all the stupid fights and nonsense arguments. Sorry for being childish and moody. I can't wish for anything because I already have found my everything. Uh, More months and years to come. I love you. Mwah. So, I have this song. Actually, hindi ko siya kakantahin ng full kasi I suck. Joke. Yun. So, it is entitled Terrified. Yun, yung song ko sa Tumblr. Ayan. Ito, wait. You, my life, is the greatest fight in the world full of wrong. You're the thing that's right. Finally made it through the lonely, through the ever sad. You said it again, my heart's in motion. Every word feels like a shooting star. I'm at the edge of my emotions, watching our shadows burning in the dark. And I'm in love, and I'm terrified for the first time and the last time in my only life.
You, by the light, is the greatest fight.